All right, so here comes a fun one. Number 8 says that you're going to make some kind of a hexagon. That's a six-sided shape that has an area that's equal to 33 centimeters squared. All right, and we're trying to figure out the side length of said shape. Now we know that the area of any kind of a multi-sided polygon is going to be equal to, I gave you this formula in class, we said ns squared all over 4 times the tangent of 180 over the number of sides that you have. And this is an ugly equation, but we can still use it. We don't care. So we have that 33 is equal to number of sides on a hexagon, better be 6, 6s squared, all over 4 times the tangent of, what is 180 divided by 6? Should be 30. All right, so we take 4 times the tangent of 30. We find that that is 2.3. So we have 33 is equal to 6s squared all over 2.3. I'll multiply each side by 2.3 to get rid of it. And we get 76.21 is equal to 6s squared. So we're going to divide each side by 6. And I'm going to take the square root of it. So I have the square root of 12.7 is equal to the square root of s squared. Now, somewhere down here, my finger hit the thing and got a little artifact. So let's get rid of that. Okay. So 12.7, square root of that. We get about 3.56. It's equal to s. Side length. So we label this over here, 3.56 centimeters. And actually, we told you to record to the nearest tenth. So we'd round 3.56 to 3.6. Just 3.6 centimeters. All right. As far as going from the center out and actually sketching this out, you also have this equation that the area is equal to 1/2. Ooh, don't know what happened there. 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. Okay. And since we know the area is 33, 1/2 times the apothem. Again, the apothem is the distance from this dot out to one of these flat sides here. Man, it is really difficult to make straight lines with this. Here, let me use the line tool. There. That distance is A. It's the apothem. So 1/2 times A times the perimeter. In this case, the perimeter is going to be 3.6 plus 3.6 plus 3.6 plus 3.6 plus 3.6. It's going to be 3.6 times the number of sides that we have, 6 sides. So if we do that math, we have 3.6 times 3, because half of 6 is 3. We get 33 is equal to 10.8a, where a, our apothem, has to be equal to 33 divided by 10.8, 3.05, about 3.1. And for your grid spacing, you can just say it's 3 centimeters, or 3 grids. So if you have this on your paper, it's probably turned the other direction. I don't know how exactly to do that on here, but you would take your dot, you'd count up 1, 2, 3, draw your line, down 1, 2, 3, draw your line, and then you go and figure a way to connect those. This is not a pretty hexagon, but you get the idea. This is the important part. That and that, your side length, and how to find the apothem. So if you are given a center point, you can figure how far to the sides.